My name is Abhijit Pandit and I'm the Vice President Operations for Hoover Automotive India, which is the operations arm of Nissan for the Indian market. I wanted to tell you about the launch of the Nissan Micra, which was conducted nationally yesterday in New Delhi. It was a huge success with an attendance of more than 600 people, including about 300 people from the media. Some of the highlights of the Micra: it is a global model that is going to be produced in India and sold not just in the domestic market but also exported to more than 100 countries, including the Western Europe, Eastern Europe, Middle East and other markets in Asia. The features of the Micra are also worth mentioning and quite spectacular. The car has a completely new engine and a new platform. The engine is a 1.2 litre 3-cylinder engine which is very light and makes very little vibration and noise. Very highly efficient, giving a fuel economy of 18.06 litres, which is amongst the top in this segment. The car also has some other very high technology features like intelligent key, push button start, auto folding door mirrors. These are the features that are usually found only in luxury cars. Nissan Micra also is very spacious from the interior and can seat 5 people very comfortably, and it has a very high maneuverability ease and with a minimum turning radius of just 4.65 meters. The car is very competitively priced with a starting price of 3.98 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. It has totally 3 variants. The entry variant comes in XC and XC Plus grades, XL which is the mid variant and the XV which is the top variant. Hyderabad is of course a very important market for Micra. All the brands actually are present here in pretty large numbers. So we are very serious about Hyderabad market and hope to grab a sizable market share in Hyderabad in the days to come. Nissan is a global brand. We sold more than 3.2 million cars, 32 lakh cars in the last fiscal year, which ended in March of this year. And although Nissan is a new entrant in India, we can promise our customers that if you test drive the car, if you purchase the car, you will be highly pleased. So I would highly recommend you please come to Lakshmi Nissan, check the cars out, take a test drive and purchase them. Thank you.